Hey, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to dominate Mother's Day with Everbee. So Everbee is right here. It's a Chrome extension, and you use this to basically spy on on products on Etsy. It's awesome. So first thing you can do, I don't know if most people even do this, but you can go to keyword research and type this in, like Mother's Day gift, because it's coming up pretty quick here. So search, see what we can find, and we can go by volume or trend. And if you look at that, there's a whole bunch of Mother's Day, and then there's ones without that. Day gifts, that's weird. But you can filter, right? So you can go include the keyword mother, and then we will only see the actual keywords that have mother in them. So Mother's gift, Mother's Day gift, gift for Mother's Day. There's a lot of volume here. Tons and tons and tons. Go to the next one. And so I sorted by max to min, but what you can do too is you can go like this and go, let's look for the lower volume stuff, see if anything comes up. So there's vegan Mother's Day vegan, GG Mother's Day gifts, Mother's Day gift for mother, I don't know what that says, let's move that over, mother to be, Mother's Day quotes, best Mother's Day gift box, Mother's Day gift soap, Mother's Day messages, Mother's Day wrap, Mother's Day cookie. So you can find stuff by cutting off all the high competition keywords and just going for the lower stuff. Then you can even take it a little bit lower if you're really trying to niche down. Cut that in half. You can see this. Now we're down to USA, popular, bonus mom. So that's like a stepmom. Personalized, Mother's Day digital print. Look at that. Mother's Day digital printable. So I'm going to click that. And it's copied. Now I'm actually going to go to Etsy, because I'll go in a new tab here. I'm going to paste that in here. Oh, I had it. Mother's Day printable. Okay, I'll just type it. Mother's Day printable. And look at the volume here. You've got cards, coupons, wall art, gift, tag, art, for kids, bundle, craft, games. Let's just go to the main one. 586 searches per month. I think I got that right. Mother's Day. Oh, digital printable. I didn't even have that in there. Let's put digital in here. See what comes up. So here's what we've got. You can do all these too, like very easily. There's a lot of these products that you can make and sell digitally. Like Mother's Day printable, all about mom, I love you and happy Mother's Day. I love you to the moon and back, and it's got little handprints on it. So now you're like, okay, these are all cool, but which ones are the best? So let's actually go to all filters. Let's go by star seller, click apply. And then what we're going to do is go to bestseller. Then I'm going to use Everbee again. So these are the best sellers. See a lot of very cool stuff. Printable cards, little handprint things, lots of cards. These ones, they actually get the kid and then, you know, slap their hand in there. That's pretty cool. Gardens, all that stuff. So let's go here and let's go use Everbee again, go product analytics, and we'll just analyze that first page. And what we're going to look for is the hottest stuff for the monthly sales. And here we've got like a grandma's garden, this one, this one, this one, again with the handprints, this one, handprint, handprint, handprint. So if you notice anything, personalized and like handprint stuff is doing very well. There's another one. Cards, ornaments, all that sort of thing. And then if you go longer term, you can look at that too. And there's one. So let's just look at this one. And then I'll click this little open calculator thing, which will take me to it. And this one says Mother's Day gift for mom from daughter or son. Mom birthday gift, custom family portrait illustration, personalized mother wall art, 1760. So that's neat. But they have all of the from left to right, name, hair, clothes, hand pose, skincare. Holy crap. They got to do a ton of work on this. Now there are programs that you can use where you can upload all these different ones, and then you can have the person create it themselves. And I actually teach that in my group coaching program. I teach it more with coffee mugs than this sort of deal, but you can do it with this too. So if you notice, they have all these, the hair for the women, the hair for the men, kind of the more hair, dogs, everything else. And I guess the person just picks the background, picks everything. Seems like a lot of work. Men's clothes, women's clothes, kids' clothes. But, I mean, there are ways to automate it. It's just a little bit, it's a lot on the setup side, but you can see this has got 1,566 actual reviews, which means it's selling like crazy, which we can see right here too. 3,869 sales. So this is 30 months old. It's got a lot of favorites. And then the cool part too of Everbee is right here down on the side. We can see what they're actually using for their tags. Family portrait, custom art, mother birthday gift, Mother's Day gift, personalized gifts. So when you combine like Mother's Day with personalized, it works very, very well. So there's one idea that you can do. Now you could do it manually like they did, but I don't know how. That's a lot of work to like get that and to get the person to go, okay, name, hair, clothes, hand pose, body size, skin, Emma, H 49W. Yeah, like this is a lot of manual labor, even for the customer. I'm thinking there's going to be a lot of customer service issues on this, although it's still a good idea. But that's just one idea. That's a printable. Now down here we got Grandma's Garden, right? A little bit easier. You can get them to put like flowers in the garden. That's very customized, that one. That is like the puzzle thing. So this has been very popular too. You can see the listing age. The cool part about Everbee too is you can see all the listing age. Now let's go back. Let's take it back a level. I'm going to X out of this. Let's just go Mother's Day gift. And look at that. You get from daughter, for grandma, for mom, gift ideas, gift box, gift shirt, gift basket, for wife, for daughter, from son. There's a whole bunch of different sub niches in there that you can do. And again, just go to all filters and star seller, apply. Now we can't do bestseller direct, but we can do it with a little hack until they remove it. Remove star, put in best. There we go. Now we got the best sellers. And here we've got a whole bunch of stuff too, like historical family portraits. So that's cool too. Now for this type of listing, I'm going to click it. You could actually do this with Midjourney and just get the people to actually send you the picture, and then you could modify it to suit. There's a lot of work involved with this one though. But $54 is kind of like, I don't mind, you know, $50 for me to take like 5 minutes and get one of these ready. That works for me. So that's not a bad idea at all. This is like a little bit more involved. This is something that's super easy to do. These message cards are pretty popular. This one doesn't have any sales, but you can see that Sweet Teas LLC, gift for mom, Mother's Day gift, necklace for mom. So this is like a message card, and this one is from, yeah, I know who this is from. And it's super easy to make these. They're very easy. It's a very, very saturated niche, but still works pretty well. Then you got cards, which are awesome because they're super easy to make. And then there's even like these type of things. So this is just simply an SVG. So SVG, PNG, PSD, DXF. If you think about Canva, Etsy, there's categories of buyers. So there's some buyers that want to buy like a gift for their mom. And then there's actual buyers who are looking to buy this, which they're going to then put onto their own mug or their own shirt or their own tote bag or whatever it may be. They'll print it themselves. And you can see it costs like very little. But it just says like, to the world, you're a mother, but to your family, you are the world. I could easily make this inside of Canva or Photopea or Photoshop or Illustrator or whatever I use. And people on Etsy that actually are in this world will buy it. It's a digital download, and they'll either use it as a PNG, standard vector graphic, or a DXF file. It's a cutout file. So they'll use it on their Cricut machine. And that's another market. It's a whole other market for Mother's Day, which is very cool. And then there's a whole bunch of other stuff here too. And these two, these shirts, are very popular. This puzzle thing is super popular. There's another custom mug. personalizable gift. There's a handprint thing again. There's the mountains. That's very cool. Mother's Day gift. What the heck? Crack. It's an egg. That's very cool. So anyway, you can basically just analyze the front page. Go to Etsy, analyze the front page, use Everbee, sort by sales, and you'll see what the most popular stuff is. Well, look at this, the number one thing that comes up here. And I've actually put this on products myself. But it says, hand poured with love by whatever. Mom's Last Nerve. Oh, look, it's on fire. So you could go to this shop, and they're making some good sales. But there are other candles that people are selling for Mother's Day that you can actually find the good candles, and you could actually sell them. Put them onto a mug, or put them onto a shirt, or put them onto a card, or put them onto some sort of digital product that you can use. So that's the beauty of using Everbee for Mother's Day, is you can find a whole ton of ideas, and then just look at the ones that like you could do. Like here's another one. Maybe this will be our last one we look at. So this one says, our first Mother's Day together, our first Mother's Day together. And all they did was this simple little design, and then they slapped it onto a t-shirt and a onesie. So shirt size, they got them all here. Baby suit, they have to call it a baby suit because Gerber owns the rights to that. And then the colors, and then personalization. Please enter your design color, add your cart baby shirt separately, and purchase together. The prices for one shirt. That's kind of confusing. These group listings, they're called, are a little bit weird because I think people think they can just order once and they'll get it, but in reality they have to put 2 orders in. So I have to pick the shirt, add to cart, and then pick the onesie and add that to cart. Sorry, bodysuit, and add that to cart. But look at this. This shop alone has a whole boatload of sales, so they know what they're doing. So how do you dominate Mother's Day with Everbee? Use it to find good ideas that are selling and have historically sold and have also sold for the month, and you'll do very well. Make your own versions, do your own thing. Personalization works very well. Digital is awesome because there's no product costs or base costs involved. But you can also go with the print-on-demand world with things like t-shirts, coffee mugs, and message cards as well. So those always work very well. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. We'll see you in the next one.